Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time seeing it, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. So guys, this is an opportunity for you to make money. In today's video, I will teach you step by step how you can make money with the Lollipop app. A lot of people have not heard about Lollipop app, and yes, Lollipop app is a live stream app where you can actually live stream and make money. Then aside from live stream and make money, there are other things you can also do as well, where I'm going to be showing you different things that you need to do for you to be able to make money with Lollipop. This is the running app now for everybody. Everybody is running and joining this app, so it is your turn for you to join as you're seeing this video. First, if you want to join, check the link in the description. I'm going to pin it as well in the comment section so that this can be very, very easy for you. Now, the first thing you're supposed to do when you register this particular app is to do your face authentication. Now, once you're done with your face authentication, automatically your app is set for you to go live. Okay, so all you need to do if you want to go live is for you to click on what this go party. If you click on this go party like this, it is going to show you need to reach charm level 1 to unlock. Now, how do you do this? Now, the first thing you need to do now is to do what is to join an agency. Now, once you join an agency, I'll be putting an agency link also in the description of this video, and I will also pin it in the comment section. Now, this agency will be able to walk you through. Now, for you to start fully, you click on this your head side, okay, and then you click on offline seller. Offline seller are people that this particular service people, they kept these people here so that these people can sell coins for you, and they sell coins at a very, very cheap rate. You can see OP, and the rest of that. You will do your coins transaction here, and trust me, buying coins from this place, it is very, very cheap. Now, as a new person that don't want to buy anything, what is the first thing that you need to do? The first thing that you need to do is to go live for 2 hours. Now, if you go live for 2 hours, every single 2 hours that you're doing, they are going to be giving you $1, and you will do this for 7 days, which automatically gives you $7. You understand? So if you have not been making money on Poppo, or you've not been doing anything I've been saying on my Poppo live stream app, this is an opportunity for you to hold this particular app tight, because as it is hot now so we will take cash out. Okay. Now, after doing that for the 7 days, you have joined an agency. Now, this is another best way for you to make money, and this is the beautiful part I love about this app. So let's look for a live stream to join, a live stream that is not noisy at all, because I don't want my live streams to be noisy. Okay, so now, this one is not noisy. Let's move from this one and let's check the one that is not noisy. Okay, I just hope this one is not noisy so that you guys can hear me. Now, if you get to this place now, if you check on that, you're going to be seeing a box, which is a gift box. If you click on it, these are where you can gift, like you can gamble and then win. If you want to gamble, make sure you gamble with Lucky. Lucky is the one you're using to gamble. So if you give anybody all of these packages, automatically you are dashing the person. So for you not to dash the person, ensure you always click on Lucky for you to gamble and win. And you can see here their coins are very, very cheap. And once you register, immediately you do your first application, they are going to be giving you your first 300 coins, just like what I'm having here. And if they give you your first 300 coins, you can decide to what gamble with your first 300 coins, and you can still make money from it, and then use it to do what? Unlock your level 1, right? The next thing you should always look out for is this game pad. Now, for this game pad, these are different games that these people have here. They have the jungle slot, they have the ocean slot, they have the lava link, they have fishing star, they have lucky 77, ocean party, TB battles, and they have Ludo. And all of these particular this thing you are seeing, games you're seeing, are games you can play and what make money. And I'm going to be doing a detailed video one after the other, how you can play this game and how you can also cash out your money, and how you can also withdraw, like everything you need to know about this app. I'm going to be doing it. So that's why it is very important for you to hurry up now and do what, and join this particular app. You understand? So they have a lot of games here. Now, this is where the beautiful part of you making money is. Let's go out of this place. Let me show you how you can make money. Okay, before I show you, check out this treasure box here. This treasure box as well is what you can use to make money. Okay. So now let's go back. Let me show you how you can make money. Another way you can make money that people are making money so fast is this place where you click on invite, where you can be able to invite people. If you click on invite, if you check the rules, let's read the rules. You can see everything here. They said for everybody you invite, you can see for 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, and you can see how their reward is to even up to $3 per invite. You understand? So you can also make money from inviting people, and you can see their invite rules here as well. You can take your time, pause, and then read. Okay. So that's one beautiful part about the Lollipop app that I really, really love so much. Now, for you to join an agency, all you need to do is, if you click on this, your profile, you're just going to click on what? Join agency. So if you click on join agency, you click on it like this, it is going to load where you can be able to impute your agency ID, which is the ID I'm going to be leaving for you guys in the description box or in the comment section, and boom, you have joined the agency. And agency, they are always available for them to answer your questions. You understand? So you don't need to be scared. Now, another way you can make money, which is this tax end. So if you click on tax, you allow this to load, and you can see different tax that you have to perform. Now you can see they said what? As a visitor on mic party, you get this 200 plus coins, and then send 10 of this. You can also see game betting as well. You can also see invite one person, can get up to $10 and even up to $100. And you can see what? Lucky gift rank bonus up to $5 per day. So all of these tasks are tasks that you're supposed to be performing. And as you're performing these tasks, your money go dey accumulate for this place where they see T coins. And then you can withdraw directly to even your local bank account. Now, where do you check out your level? Because I'm trying to do like a general video about this, is to click on this level area. And if you click on this level area, these are the levels that they have here. You understand? The levels is not even much to level, just level 100. You understand? Because they are new in the business, and I know that when they are new like that, a lot of goody goodies will be happening. So they have the rich level and they have the charm level. So this is a charm level 1 that they want you to join. You understand? So you can see up to how many, up to still 100 level as well. So this is a new app that a lot of people are making money. A lot of my friends have now dived into this app just to make money from this place, and I've been hearing good testimonies, and I just registered as well. As I say, please do not do that mistake that I did by not performing my 7 day stacks, because immediately I registered, I was supposed to perform my 7 days as well. I'll have my first $7, but I did not. You understand? So do not make that mistake that I did. Go directly, start making money, start enjoying. And please, if you don't withdraw your first $10, also come back to let us know, so that at the end of the day, a lot of people will know say we dey try too now. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. I'll always be here to answer all of your questions. And if you have any video you have in mind about this particular app and you want me to film for you, feel free to kindly ask, because that's my job as well. And yeah, so with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. So bye. I love you guys. Mwah.